Whew, Lord, this is crazy as hell. Hey, what's going on, guys? Man, look, I should have known better than to promise my guys in the office some ribs for tomorrow, okay? Today is Thursday, the party is Friday. I promised them some ribs, so I'm trying to knock these out and rewarm them tomorrow. Currently, the wind is blowing at like 21 miles an hour. It's 43 degrees, so it's cold as crap outside, but we're gonna see what we can do, okay? We got the Recteq 1070 fired up, and we're probably gonna cook about 275 degrees, and we got 8 slabs of ribs to do. So let me show you what I got in the Recteq cooler, and we're gonna get these bad boys on there once the smoker settles in. So let's see what we got. All right, guys, so we have our Recteq Icer cooler here. It's a 45 quart cooler. This was really the first time that we've used this. It's supposed to keep ice for an extremely long time. We didn't have room in the refrigerator to prep and keep cold 8 slabs of ribs. So I threw some ice on top of these in here, underneath and on here, so they've been in here all night marinating. And we still got tons of ice, okay? And so we have 2 slabs of ribs in each bag, and we're going to be putting these on the 1070 in a few minutes, okay? These are seasoned with 2 different types of rub. We used the Pitboss smoked salt and pepper on 4 of them, and then on the other 4, we used McCormick's maple, I think it's called a smoked maple rub, okay? So we'll go ahead and get these out there on the 1070, and we spritz them with apple juice for the entire time, and we'll eventually wrap, okay? So let's get them out on the smoker. All right, so our ribs have been on for 2.5 hours. I want to go ahead and wrap the ones at the bottom because of the color. I don't want to get too dark. So we're gonna take these inside. We're gonna wrap them in foil, and we're gonna bring them back out here to the smoker. Got some good pullback on them though, so it shouldn't be too long. We're gonna close these up. Let's get to wrapping. All right, we're gonna get these wrapped. Spritz down some apple juice. Lay these down. Good pullback on these. Wet them down some more. We're wrapped up. And we're gonna do the same for the others. All right, we'll come back when I get them on the smoker. right, so I guess folks like the ribs. They almost all gone. Come on, be on my YouTube video, man.
Hey, the best ribs in the city.
Oh, Lord.
The best ribs in the city.
I don't know about all that, but all right, man.
It is so good. Oh my goodness. 10 out of 10 fall off the bone. It's so good. It don't get better than this. It don't.
You are in the background right there, just leaning over.
She said, "Read I love it."
It does not get better.
Come on, senior.
All right, let's give this a shot.
Oh my God.
Oh, that's definitely 11 out of 10 right there.
He gonna get carried away about it. Come on, Huntley. You gonna be on my video, man. Come on.
They talking about the ribs?
Yeah.
Oh, world's finest.
Wait a minute, I can't see you all walking close and stuff, man. I'm gonna give him something to laugh at too, but go ahead.
World's finest.
World's finest?
Ain't nothing left
He
on
said,
the
make
bone.
sure you hear it.
Come on, LT.
It's that Bad Beast Barbecue.
Bad Beast Barbecue.
It's amazing.
Now wait, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna say now. I'm not good on camera.
Oh, God.
I'm gonna just say it was so good. Thank you, Mr. Smith.
That's it. So which one did you like the best?
The maple for sure.
The Smokehouse Maple?
Yes, sir.
All right. Was it tender enough? Was it
Falling off the bone.
falling off the bone? All
Falling
right.
off the bone.
All right. You gonna be on my video too? Okay.
I had the smoked salt and pepper, and that shit was fire. Falling off the bone. As soon as I picked it up, it was good.
I'm definitely gonna like this video.
And I didn't eat ribs, but every time he brings some ribs in, I'm eating them for sure.
All right. Well, I appreciate that. So, what about you, Hunter? You gonna be on too?
I'll be on there. I'll say something.
All right.
Mr. Smith make the best ribs. Everybody know it. They go crazy in the office. So, hey, they the best.
You gonna miss this when you go to your next place.
For sure.